Hello students, good evening everybody. In differentiation, let us continue the problems of exercise 13.5. Find the derivatives of the following functions. We are given here one function. Let y is equal to x minus a upon x minus b. So differentiating 1 with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of x minus a by x minus b. Right? See, it looks like u by v. I'll write the formula here. D by dx of u by v is equal to, first write v square in the denominator, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. This is the formula. Quotient rule. It is called quotient rule. Right? Quotient rule. So I am going to apply that. Here we have in the denominator, that is x minus b whole square. So x minus b into d by dx of x minus a minus x minus a into d by dx of x minus b, that equal to x minus b into derivative of x is 1, a is derivative 0, x minus a, x derivative 1, b derivative 0 upon x minus b whole square. Right? So x minus b minus x minus into minus plus a upon x minus b whole square. Plus x minus x cancel. That would be a minus b upon x minus b whole square. Therefore, derivative of the given function is a minus b upon x minus b whole square. That is the end of solution. Second question. Second question also quotient rule. By using quotient rule, we have to find the derivative. So it is a important model, and we can remember it as shortcut also. Ax plus b upon cx plus d. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. So in the denominator we have cx plus d. So cx plus d whole square, v into derivative of u numerator minus numerator into d by dx of denominator, d by dx of cx plus d. Cx plus d into ax derivative, that is a into x derivative 1, b derivative 0, ax plus b into c into x derivative 1 plus d derivative 0 upon cx plus d whole square. Multiply with a, acx plus ad minus acx minus bc upon cx plus d whole square. This 2 gets cancelled. The final answer would be ad minus bc upon cx plus d whole square. Therefore, dy by dx equal to ad minus bc upon cx plus d whole square. So you can remember it as shortcut also, ad minus bc. ad minus bc cross multiplication by cx plus d whole square. AD minus BC upon denominator whole square. Right? Thank you.